Hi, this is a podcast from WTI, the nonprofit community service organization that educates in all aspects of survival. One of the most crucial issues facing the world today is clean water. Water is now being wasted by the thousands of gallons by being flushed down the toilet with the human waste. Is there another way to handle human waste that is ecologically and safe, but also saves the water that's now just being flushed away? Well, let's first describe what is Humanure. That Humanure, it's short for human manure, is a human fecal material and urine material recycled for agricultural purposes via thermophilic composting. That means hot. Composting that is so hot that the temperatures destroy any disease-causing bacteria. Humanure contains valuable soil nutrients that enhance plant growth. For these reasons, Humanure should be recycled whenever possible by composting. Humanure applied directly to the soil, called night soil, is illegal in the United States. If that Humanure is not clean Humanure, then it will carry pathogens, diseases, pharmaceuticals, poisons, drugs. All of that will be in the manure. Therefore, raw human waste directly on the ground is a hazard. However, clean human waste applied directly to the ground is not a hazard. What do we mean by clean? Clean means clean. No pharmaceuticals, no drugs, no animal products, that is including meat, no pesticides, no additives, no colorings. Clean. That human waste applied directly to the ground in the process that I'll describe is not hazardous. However, recycling by composting is the safest way to handle Humanure. And recycling means purposefully collecting and composting feces and urine to use as the organic nitrogenous component of a compost system. Compost system refers to a complete balanced composting system, what I call an engine, that takes in fuel, that is the Humanure, discarded clean foods such as orange peels, banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, etc., sawdust, dry leaves, cut old newspapers that have been printed with soy ink, taking in that fuel, and then producing the product, which is the dark humus type soil. To create that dark, beautiful humus type soil, there must be a balance between the green, that is the foods and the Humanure, and the brown, in quotes, ingredients. The brown referring to leaves, dead flora, sawdust from untreated wood. The mixture must be moist but not wet, and must contain enough dry or brown materials to cause the bacterial organisms in the soil to break down the complete mixture into beautiful reusable soil. Tips: the Humanure composter should never smell. If there's smell coming from a Humanure composter, it means the process there is imbalanced. It has become anaerobic. There's not enough oxygen in it. It should never smell. Second tip, the compost must not be too wet or too dry. If it's either or, that means that it's not degrading properly. The contents are not degrading properly. And finally, do not add new material to the composter till the old has decomposed. 2 days to 1 week is sufficient time for the Humanure, the foods, the sawdust, the leaves to all be digested into soil. 2 days is fast. That has happened, in my experience, by having a really hot mixture. Humanure is instrumental in making that mixture be that hot. The decomposition of the Humanure is a very hot process. Next podcast, we're going to go step by step on how to apply clean Humanure directly to the soil and how to build your own Humanure composter. If you have any questions, call WTI Incorporated at 323-620-4720.